RC Stunt Car, 4-wheel drive with watch gesture sensor control. Deformable electric car, all-terrain transformable car. Has auto demo for kids with LED lights and music. RC Stunt Car is a super cool and playful stunt car that can do a variety of excellent stunts with beautiful LED lights and special mecanum wheels. All-wheel drive, moves forward, backward, left and right rotation, left and right side drift, includes music, wheel lights, one-button auto demonstration, gesture sensing and has omni-directional move. All-wheel drive, with a powerful motor for 4 mecanum wheels, the car can do very difficult climbing and flexibility in all terrain. Easy to drive indoors and over carpet. Looks amazing in the dark. Superior mecanum wheels. Super fast and durable. Fast transformation. Create your own challenges and obstacles. Press silent key to turn sound off and on. Easily flip on walls. Click on the Amazon link in the description to purchase. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.